Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and report a problem on the road on your Waze app. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So for example, you're on the way to somewhere and you spot a construction going on or a traffic jam or a traffic problem or a speed check, whatever it might be. You can simply go ahead and keep people alerted on Waze. Let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open Waze and simply go ahead and click on allow once. So as you can see, we're on the way. And now if I want to simply go ahead and report, all I'm going to do is on the bottom right, simply go ahead and tap on this hazard kind of icon, which is yellow triangle, right? And once you tap on that, you can simply go ahead and choose from here whatever it is. So for example, it could be a place, roadside help, it could be a map issue, bad weather, gas prices. You could also drop block lane, closer, hazard, police, crash, traffic. So for example, if I put crash, it's going to go ahead and let me to go ahead and report right over here, or I can just simply go ahead and cancel for now. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you